World Series from 42 through 46. They were led by Stan the Man Musial, a rare Jim player that could do it all. Musial is ranked second, leading Hank Aaron in the National League in career RBIs with 1,951. During the 60s, Cardinal stars Bob Gibson, Baby Bull Orlando Cepeda, and Speedy Lou Brock brought World Series wins to St. Louis in 1964 over the Yankees and over the Red Sox in 1967. The 80s were good to the Cards. What was titled the Subs Series, Whitey Herzog, a.k.a. the White Rat, Keith Hernandez, the Wizard of Oz, led the Redbirds to a World Series title over the Milwaukee Brewers in 1982. They went back to the World Series in 1985 against cross-state rivals the Royals, and again in 1987 against the Twins. They lost both in 7 games. In 2004, manager Tony La Russa and stars like Scott Rowland, Jim Edmonds, and Albert Pujols took the National League pennant and were swept by the Boston Red Sox in the World Series. They rebounded in 2006, capturing the National League pennant and defeating the upstart Detroit Tigers in the World Series 4 games to 1. In 2011,